When launching a new display campaign, it's tempting to jump into the analytics right away. However, understanding when to start reviewing its performance is key to making accurate decisions. If you're wondering how long you should wait before analyzing your campaign's results, the general answer is about 1 to 2 weeks. Here's the thing. Display campaigns need time to gather enough data to give you a clear picture. If you check the performance too soon, the data might be too sparse or inconsistent to make meaningful conclusions. Over 1 to 2 weeks, your campaign will likely reach a larger audience, and you'll have a better idea of how different ads and targeting settings are performing. This gives you time to see trends, identify high-performing creatives, and spot areas that might need optimization. In the initial days after launching a display campaign, the system is still learning. This is often referred to as the learning phase. During this time, your ads may not show consistently, and the performance data might fluctuate. Trying to analyze the results during this phase could lead to skewed conclusions. After the first couple of weeks, you can dive into the metrics with more confidence. Look for impressions. How often are your ads being shown to the target audience? Click-through rate. Are people clicking on your ads? Conversion rates. Are those clicks turning into actual sales or leads? These metrics can help you determine if your targeting is on point or if you need to adjust your creatives or budget. If, after 1 to 2 weeks, the data is still unclear, it could be a sign that more time is needed. Campaigns with a smaller budget or niche targeting might require a bit more time to gather enough actionable insights. In such cases, giving it 3 weeks could help you make a more informed decision. Patience is key when it comes to evaluating the performance of a display campaign. Giving your campaigns 1 to 2 weeks to collect data and exit the learning phase will ensure you make better, more informed decisions about optimizations and adjustments. Avoid jumping to conclusions too quickly, and remember that digital advertising is often a marathon, not a sprint. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Google Ads tips. And if you need help with your Google Ads account, get in touch and see how we can help. See you in the next video.